Attention IUL agents. Are you tired of driving an hour to your IUL appointment to find out that the prospect isn't home, or just isn't interested in saving for retirement? Or maybe you thought that you had a healthy prospect who ended up not qualifying. All that spending of thousands and thousands of dollars doing seminars, radio, or buying expensive leads didn't pay off. By the way, if you did sell the prospect, it took 60 to 90 days before you got paid, if the prospect even qualifies or wasn't rated up. Does this sound familiar? If you have been a safe money retirement planning advisor or in the business, I guarantee you this has happened to you. If you've been in for any length of time selling life insurance, and especially higher end life insurance, this should sound very, very familiar. Okay, this should be a resounding yes that you say, yes, this has happened to me before. My name is Jay Peak. I'm a national best-selling author, and I've been a safe money retirement advisor for 11 years now. I've been very successful at doing it. I've had multiple TV appearances and obviously have done seminars, as you can see in the right corner, and done everything, and have been very successful at it. But a lot of advisors that I've talked to don't do what I do. So this program that I'm going to show you and tell you about is how you can come and do what I do to generate leads that are high quality, that have been screened, that are actually going to schedule an appointment right on your calendar. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, I've spent my career marketing insurance products, and yes, I said marketing, not selling. Why? Well, it's very simple, because you can have the best IUL product on the market, the best companies, the lowest cost of insurance, the highest caps, the easiest underwriting, or the lowest internal administration cost. But really, if you can't talk to qualified prospects every single day, none of that really matters. Most agents spend 80% of their time prospecting and waste half their lives driving from appointment to appointment. And why do we do that? Well, that's because that's all we've been taught, right? And so you're using up thousands and thousands of gallons of gasoline a year and putting a ton of miles on your car. And a lot of agents say there has to be a better way. And a lot of agents know that there's a better way. They just don't know how to put it all together, okay? So introducing the Peak IUL sales system. Now, imagine if you could work from home, take calls from qualified prospects that automatically set appointments on your calendar. They fill out their own F&A form. And this is where they're going to spill the beans and tell you, this is why I want to work with you. And you can sell the prospect in IUL using some simple graphs that we have and never have to run another illustration. Also, you never have to do a paramed for your client. Yes, that's right, no paramed on your IUL. Our typical case gets issued in 2 to 4 weeks instead of 2 to 3 months. Once you sell the prospect, all you do is fill out a very simple PDF form that we have, send it to our office to administrate, and you are done. No prospecting, no chasing down clients, and definitely no administration work, like tracking down APSs, following up with clients, and fulfilling other underwriting requirements. Can this be true? Absolutely it is. At Peak Financial Corporation, we have a proven track record of selling IULs over the phone. So again, I ask you, what if you could work from home and never drive to another appointment? Does that sound good to you? Well, what's the cost? We will do everything that we described for you, meaning that we set up your Facebook accounts for you, we give you the ads to place, we set up your funnels and everything that I've been telling you about to get people to schedule on your calendar, all for $1,500. Now, the cost for me to actually run this program is $2,040 a year per agent that we have. But that includes a lot of different stuff, but I'm really confident that you guys are going to be successful in this, because I know that we're successful, and I'm willing to take on a little extra risk because I know you'll make sales off of it. So where are the appointments generated from? We just talked about that's Facebook, right? So everybody is on social media. That is the wave of the future. And if you're not using Facebook to advertise, you're really being beat out by your competition. We target target people that are really interested in buying from us, right? So not only do they meet our demographic, but also they're talking about retirement planning in their Facebook feeds. And so if you don't know that, Facebook, when you sign up for an account, they ask you all kinds of personal information, and you tell the whole world about your life and why you're mad at your stockbroker or whatever it is. And guess what? For agents, that's a dream come true, because we generate ads and post those ads on people that are talking about these different subjects, right? So they're talking about retirement planning, they're talking about life insurance, and we can advertise them based on the subjects that they're talking about, and also drill down on the demographics that we just described. The average cost for the campaign for Facebook is extremely cheap. We're talking about $5 to $10 a day. That's nothing. Okay, that's $150 to $300 a month to advertise these people that are highly targeted. So instead of you mailing to every door down the street, what if you could only mail to people in your demographic? And what if you could mail to that one or two houses that were interested in buying from you? Okay, that's what we're talking about, but it's all digital. Now, you pay for the Facebook advertising. The $1,500 sets up your system. That's what it does. We set up your email accounts, your hosting, everything that talks to each other. We customize the portal for you and do everything for you. All you got to do is post the ad on Facebook that we give you, and we'll even help you do that. So all you have to do is pay for the advertising. And we do every single thing else that we just talked about. And by the way, the average commission per IUL is about $2,400 that we sell through this system. And now that you get it and understand how we do this stuff, how do you get started? Well, it's very simple. You're going to click the button below, and we will get you started on building your custom campaign. And how long does it take before appointments get started? Well, it takes a few weeks to put all this stuff together. It's not overnight. We have to custom design videos and landing pages and links and hosting fees and all the stuff that we have to do for you. So it doesn't happen overnight. So it's about 45 days. I really believe that we can get to you probably sooner than that, but I want to tell you the worst case scenario. It's about a month, month and a half to get everything done for you, okay? This gives us time to build your campaign. And so if you want to start our program, we have 3 payment options available for you. I realize that a lot of you may not have $1,500 up front. If you do, trust me, that's the best option. It's the cheapest option. You're done. And again, all you have to pay for is your Facebook advertising after that. If you don't quite have that, we will do $800 for 2 months. Okay, so it's a little bit more money because I'm basically having to carry it and finance it myself. And so there you go. That's how much that costs. And if you want to do 3 months, we do have that option, $653 3 months. And of course, that's the most expensive option, but you do have that option available to you. Okay, so you just choose what's best for you, and we will do the rest. Now, I can only take 15 participants in this program. If you're receiving this email in this webinar, it's because you're one of our agents. Okay, and I can only take 15 of you to do this because of the work and the time involved in this. I mean, literally, it's going to take me days and days and days to put all this together for one agent. Okay, so just know that I can't let everybody in. And what I want to do now is I want to show you a demo of how this works, right? So we've talked about it, you're interested, but Jay, show me how this works so I understand really what you're talking about, okay? So click the button at the bottom of this video, and what we're going to do is give you a demo of the system, show you how it works, and then after you've seen everything, you can decide, is this right for you? I'll talk to you on the next video. Thanks so much. See you soon.